Zuva nezuva tichingochemera, zuva nezuva tichinyengetera, zuva nezuva tichingochemera, zuva nezuva tichinyengetera. Every day is the best.
As I have followed your journey, there's always a deep story that some of us have heard, some people never know, some get to ask like tonight. This particular album, I was listening and Tendai, I had a copy and I kept listening to it, and there's something about how you allow yourself into your music and engage us. How do you prepare yourself to get into this kind of zone that attracts us to be one with you?
I don't think it's something you intentionally do. I mean, like, I keep referring to Sister because she said a lot of things that really embodied this album, which is, it was just my interaction with the word. And I also struggle with people who churn out music continuously. I guess they have a lot to say. But sometimes, Lauren, who always says music is supposed to inspire, so how come we're not getting any higher? And I feel like we don't get higher because we're not singing what truth is, or we're not living out the things we're singing. So by the time I say Huyai, I'm not inviting you to something I don't know. But the time I say Bongai, there are things that I say, you know what, I had to thank you because so when I invite you to these things that I'm singing, it's a place of authenticity, and that can only happen through a lived experience.
Jimmy Chance, Jimmy Baba, Jimmy Chokwadi, Jimmy Chance, Jimmy Baba, Rubarenyura Kaliwira, Jimmy Chance, Jimmy Baba, Jimmy Chokwadi, Jimmy Chance, Jimmy Baba.